Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to deal with unexpected expenses. When something happens and you know it's going to be costly, I can give you that sinking feeling, especially when it's a cost you haven't prepared for. It could be a large bill or damage to something valuable that's not covered by your insurance. Whatever it is, here are some steps you can take to help you tackle the issue financially. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Number 1. Start straight away. When something bad happens, it can be tempting to ignore the issue for as long as possible, but the sooner you start to act, the sooner you'll be able to get back in the clear. Acting quickly can help prevent the possibility of things getting worse before they get any better. One of the first steps you may want to take is to check if the expense is covered by your insurance. Number 2. Evaluate your options. Do you have savings or emergency fund or an arranged overdraft you can fall back on? If so, now could be the time to use them. If not, can you get assistance? If it's a large bill, there may be an arrangement you can come to with your supplier. Another option is an arranged overdraft, credit card, or personal loan, which could temporarily help you cover the expense. However, these will come with an interest rate and possible fees. If you do look at borrowing, take some time to set a repayment plan so you know exactly how much you'll have to repay and when you should finish making repayments. Before making any decisions about borrowing, make sure you're aware of all the potential costs and risks. You'll also need to meet any financial eligibility criteria, and credit is subject to status. Number 3. Create a plan. Once you've decided on how you'll tackle the expense, create an action plan with the various stages written down. If you're using your savings, this could be planning how you'll get your savings back to the level they're currently at. If you're borrowing money or repaying the expense over time, this will be your repayment plan. Number 4. Talk to someone. Everyone is different, but you may find it helpful to talk to someone about the expense. It could be a partner, family, or a friend, as long as it's someone you trust. Talking about things can help put your mind at ease and make you more accountable for what you set out to do. If you feel comfortable, share your plan and ask the person you trust to check in from time to time to make sure you're on track. If you want to get professional advice, there are a number of organizations that can help. You can find out on different sites around you. Number 5. Build a buffer. Once you have things back on track, you may want to build a buffer of at least 3 months' worth of living expenses in case something happens in the future. This is often referred to as an emergency fund and can mean you're covered when things don't go to plan. Number 6. Rebudget to live below your means. There are some expenses that you cannot avoid, housing, transportation, and food, but you can consider cutting back on non-essential spending. The average American spends $2,913 on entertainment each year. While it is important to enjoy yourself every once in a while, cutting back on a few nights out or canceling one of your online video streaming services will show up in your bank account. Number 7. Earn extra income to save for unexpected expenses. If you work a typical 9-to-5 job, taking advantage of your free time at night and on the weekend can help build up additional savings to quickly pay off an unexpected expense. Consider traditional jobs, retail, customer service, or the food industry, but also think about taking on smaller projects, such as participating in online marketing research or virtual paid focus groups. Number 8. Make sure you're prepared for next time by saving now. Whatever your unexpected expense, one or more of these strategies will at least help to get it paid off. Consider saving money for unexpected expenses in a high-yield savings or money market account going forward. Having even a small amount saved in an emergency fund will help you when it comes to the burden of your next unexpected expense. Number 9. Sell your stuff to free up money. Gone are the days of yard sales for making a quick payday. These days, you can turn to e-commerce websites in order to sell your unneeded belongings. You can put last year's wardrobe up for sale on auction sites and make money selling your art on sites like Etsy and eBay. So guys, that was all about today's topic. See you soon. Goodbye.